Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone. Today I am featuring another vintage lever padlock. It's a 5-lever insurance padlock made by Ace. This lock is an absolute beauty. I'm going to use a magnet to hold the door clear, and the tools have been acquired from UK Lock Pickers. They have great customer service and a great selection of specialized tools. This lock doesn't have any anti-pick. It is a simple case of finding the binding lever, lifting it until it becomes loose, and then move on to the next lever. Rinse and repeat across all 5 levers. I would suggest this lock as a great introduction into vintage insurance locks because of the lack of anti-pick measures. As always, stay safe everyone, and I will see you all on the next video.